Come on, Holly. Fuck, I'm out of shape.
The crabs are so heavy.
Just carry.
It's not because I'm out of shape.
Yeah, look at our crabs. Holy fuck, are we ever out of shape? Fuck, Justin, we'd have to put Justin in a fucking barrel and roll him down the hill. Oh my god. Holy fuck me, man, this is tiring. I feel like I'm gonna fucking puke. Fuck me. It's like a fucking jungle. You know, the camera makes it look bright in here, right? And it's fucking dark almost. Holly, just hold the rope around your waist and I'll keep pulling you through. It's like a fucking obstacle course. Holy fuck. Fuck, Holly says she's too tired to perform CLR? CPR? It's a fucking obstacle course. Whew. Fuck, we sound like we're dying. Plus I got a winter coat on. Oh. What bitch? Yeah.